Alright, more bicycle parts. Cutting up bicycle parts. It's a little hot out today. This right here is a, oh, let's this around. Okay, this is a mandrel, and this is the little cutting wheel they give you with it, and there's no top washer. So I put the little sanding wheels on, then I put the cutter on, and it usually helps it stay in place. Success. Took 10 minutes. You screw it on there like that, and then you hope that you don't have to replace this disc too many times, and it'll cut through the damn bicycle frame, which it should. We'll see. Of course, the first one broke. See? Before I even turned it on. Now, if you're lucky, you use this and make a bigger hole so that that will screw in. Okay, well, obviously the Dremel didn't work. I had to try. I couldn't find the mandrel. I couldn't take the damn thing apart, so I finally got the mandrel off and the new blade on. The new cutting wheel, I mean. And safety glasses.